Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can clear the content of sheets in your LibreOffice Calculator document. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the sheet. I will go with this sheet here, for example, of that document. And now let's assume you would like to, for example, keep a column or a row with the formatting, but remove the content you have entered into these cells. This is how you can do it. Highlight the given cells with your left mouse, right click, select clear contents, or use the shortcut backspace on your keyboard. After that, you will be navigated to that delete contents tab here. So you may select, for example, delete all or text, numbers, and so on and so forth. I will go with delete all, click into OK. And now everything has been removed, including also the background. So if you'd like to remove only the text, let me just undo this by pressing Ctrl Z. Repeat the same process, highlight these cells, right click, select clear contents, but this time unselect delete all and choose only, for example, text and numbers. And that's it. Now the formatting or the style has been kept, as you can see, the background. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.